It's a pretty exciting time when you're looking to buy your first car. You'll want something fun, affordable, easy to drive, safe, and with good fuel economy. And if you want to tick all those boxes, you'll most likely be looking at a small car. So if you're in the position to be able to buy or finance a new car, these would be a great place to start. Here are 3 choices in one. Underneath, the VW Up, Skoda Citigo and Say It Me are the same car, and they're all good. All 3 have models in the lowest insurance group, they're small enough to drive around town, and they average at least 60 miles per gallon. They're also fun to drive. The Kia Picanto looks smart inside and out and is good fun to drive in town, out in the country, and it's also comfortable on the motorway. With a Kia, you get an impressive 100,000 miles, 7-year warranty, and it's got a great reliability record too. Okay, so maybe a Dacia Sandero doesn't sound like the coolest car in the world, but it's a great option if you want the most car for your money. It's bigger than most superminis but costs the same price as a city car, so if space and practicality are most important, it's the one for you. The 1-litre engine in the Hyundai i10 is the best one in the range. It's also an enjoyable little car to drive with a smooth and comfy ride. It's surprisingly spacious and practical, and everything inside feels very hard wearing. It comes with a 5-year warranty too. Not only does the Renault Twingo already look quirky, there is lots of scope to personalise it. It's also a great little car to drive and manoeuvre around town, as it has a tiny turning circle thanks to its unusual rear engine layout. The least powerful non-turbocharged engine is the smoothest of the lot.